My name's Cindy Bloom, and I'm playing with these Facebook filters. You like my beard? It's kind of crazy. So it was pretty funny because my friend was doing a Facebook Live, and she had no idea how to get rid of the filters. So I'm just going to play a little bit here with some filters and see what you guys like. So how do you like this one? Do you like this one? Let's see what this one is. I'm going to play with another filter. What is this one? What's this? This is kind of cool. What do you think? Tell me. Ooh, do you guys like this filter? I kind of like this. Very colorful. I got a hat on. Do you guys ever play with Facebook filters? Because they're kind of fun. This is actually cool. I like it. All right, let's see what else we got here. Do you guys ever use these Facebook filters? This is making me look like kind of a nerd. It has like this. Ooh, broken glasses, but my glasses aren't broken. All right, what else do we got here? What's this one? I don't know. Open my mouth. It says, "Oh my goodness, I'm a werewolf. I'm a werewolf." That's crazy. That's crazy. All right, what's this one? If you guys like any of the filters, tell me which one you like the best. What's this one? Ooh, it's just broken. It could be like in different places, like green over here, and black and white, and blue. This is crazy. All right, what else do we got? If you guys are watching live, tell me which filter you like best. What about this one? This is like globes. And we've got, actually, what's this one? This is like stars. Nighttime and stars. What's this? Oh, this is a Nickelodeon. Hey, Arnold. The Jungle movie. This is something my kids probably would like. What else can I play with here? Lots of different things to play with on these. Do you like Hey Arnold? Thanks for liking that. Which one do you like? Let's see, what's this one? I think I'm going somewhere. I don't know where I'm going. Maybe it's just black and white? I'm not sure. Let's see, what's this one? I don't know what this is. This is kind of cool. Different changes. Jiffy Live. Okay, what's this one? New one, new one. Let's see, it's spinning on my phone. Okay. Oh, welcome to Jiffy Live. Got it. Okay, I'm not quite sure what this is.